In today's video, I want to talk about one book that is making $33,000 per month on its own. Unlike in my last video about a brand that makes $60K per month, the book I'll be revealing today is a low-content book. This is important because that means that anyone who is new to self-publishing or doesn't have a lot of money, doesn't have a large budget, can more easily get into this market and potentially create similar results for themselves. So I'm really excited to share it. Before I get into the video, if you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm Jay, and I run Destiny Manifest with my sister and my business partner, T. Together, we make videos to help you manifest your dream life through things like manifestation techniques, affirmations, mindset. We do some decoding, and we also talk about business models that you can try to help increase your cash flow so that you can achieve financial freedom in this 3D rat race matrix known as life. If any of these topics interest you, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and join the fam. Also, click the notification bell so that you never miss a video, because I know YouTube can be janky and it won't always notify you. So yeah. Anyway, so T and I were actually in the middle of planning some other video topics that had nothing to do with KDP, but I decided to sneak back and put out one more KDP niche research video. First of all, because of the massive response that I got from the last one. So seeing all of your likes, seeing all your comments, all the people subscribing, that was so encouraging. I love it so much. Thank you guys. I'm grateful to everyone. And yeah, I didn't want to hold off. I didn't want to hold back this information from you. It's already May. I can't believe it. The year is like halfway through. And we're 2 months into the second quarter of the year. Now, if you want to start an online business this year and start profiting from it this year, your business, like most, is going to perform best in quarter 4. So that's October to December. That means that you only have May and June and then quarter 3 to build your business. In quarter 4, you don't really build businesses. In quarter 4, that's ideally when you're optimizing and scaling the business that you've already established. So I'm hoping that this video is going to help you to go out and create these type of books right now so you can further scale and optimize them later on in the year. So I was doing some niche research recently, and I came across a niche that is not only interesting, but incredibly profitable. And it's a low content book niche, as I said before. So that means that if you don't have a lot of startup money to invest in a ghostwriter, you can easily create this book yourself within a few days to at most a few weeks. So I'm not going to waste any more time. The book niche that I found is meditation and mindfulness, which is also what our channel is about. So that's pretty cool. But we always teach you that you need to go deeper into niches for less competition. So give me 1 second. So the book niche is mindfulness, but mindfulness has 60K results, which is quite a lot. It's not an enormous amount, but it is quite a lot. And if you really do want to make money and you're brand new to the platform, we always talk about and teach going deeper into niches. So go into the sub niches. So I went deeper and I discovered this keyword, and I'm going to write it in. This keyword has just 10,000 results, which is a lot less than 60K. And then one book that I found is doing amazing, crazy numbers. So it's this one here. This book is called Anger Management Workbook for Kids, 50 Fun Activities to Help Children Stay Calm and Make Better Choices When They Feel Mad. So when I click on it, you can see it has 5,700 ratings. It was published in 2018, so not too long ago. And then it's not that long of a book with only 50 exercises and 160 pages, not too much longer than your average low-content book. This book makes $33,000 per month in book sales alone. And these numbers blew us away because that's some people's yearly salary. And just imagine, $33,000 per month for a full year. That's $396,000 off a single book. More than enough to replace your income, if that's something that you're interested in. See, that's why we teach just creating high-quality books and not having hundreds or even thousands of books out there. It only takes a few good books to literally change your life. Now, one thing that really stood out to me is that this book teaches children about their own feelings and self-awareness in a fun way that they can digest and use in their daily lives. Things like how to express themselves in a way that's appropriate but also true to themselves. There's exercises that encourage them to write about their feelings, to draw them, and the author also includes some interesting psychological facts about anger. So I found that all to be really interesting. You can see that there's, many parts to this. There's a foreword, and they just have a lot of detail. You can see there's even a section that talks about what does your anger look like? What does it smell like and sound like? So kids are really encouraged to go within. They teach kids how to express themselves through different words, stuff like that. I found this all to be, and then there's even resources. Yeah, it's just an all around very interesting concept for a book. And these are skills that kids will carry into their teenage years, through adulthood. These skills are important in general, but they're especially important in the times that we're living in right now because kids are more stressed than ever due to the lockdowns, the inconsistent school environment, and not being able to see their friends regularly, too. This can all cause anger and depression, and of course, kids may develop anxiety from seeing everyone in masks and hearing all this fear mongering news on TV. As you can read about if you go to the reviews, this author has helped so many parents to positively impact and change their children's behavior, resulting in happier kids. This book is a wonderful example of how adding real value to people's lives right now, in the now, results in an increased income. These kind of books aren't just for kids either. There's many adults that didn't grow up learning these tools, and so mindfulness and stress relief exercises and just learning how to acknowledge your feelings and work them out and stuff like that can benefit them too. Same with teenagers and college age kids as well as elders. Keep all ages, genders, and races of people in mind and think of the kinds of books that could benefit them right now. That's the best way to make money with self-publishing. It's true what they say about business. Find your passion and then focus on how you can use it to help as many people as possible. And the money's just going to follow. Because after all, money is just the result and reflection of how much we are able to impact others, right? Another related and profitable keyword that I found is called Mindfulness Games for Kids books. It currently has just 2,000 results, as you can see here in the Amazon search engine, and the top books using this keyword are making between $400 a month and $17,000 a month. So there's still an amazing opportunity for self-publishers to go ahead and get into this niche and earn a great profit. And again, game books are low content books. You can create them for free if you know anything about design and like Photoshop or photop.com, that's a free website, or Canva, or you can just get some cheap templates online, fix them up a little bit, put them together, and you've got a book right there. So very easy to create. Ultimately, though, creating a successful book starts by finding profitable niches and then making high quality books in those niches. That's it. That's the golden formula. Speaking of high quality books, we have some great services that we can't wait to launch to you very soon. And they're going to help you to take your books to the next level. So if you're concerned with quality, you're struggling with it, you want to have, the best books out there that you possibly can, you better stay tuned to the channel because we're going to deliver some fire services and you'll be the first to know about it. Also, if you're somehow unaware, we have a free course on our channel to help you learn the basics of Kindle publishing, and we're now offering an advanced course called Publish Pages that includes our personal KDP marketing methods, step-by-step high content book creation that includes how to outsource and hire quality ghostwriters, guys. And then we also teach automation. It's all in there. There's so much more too. Make sure to check it out, link in the description. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more just like it, give this video a thumbs up and become a destiny manifester of your own life. Remember to take action every day toward your dreams. Thanks so much for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next one.